if you need to create a new legal entity, the legal entity, if you have multiple legal entities, multiple organizations, and you need to add this new legal entity in your current Microsoft Dynamics 365. So it's a very simple task. We will see now how we can create the new legal entity. Here from organization administration, organization, go, you will find legal entity. You can click legal entity in order to create new legal entity, or you have the options. If we close this, to click here, for example, you can search legal entity, excuse me, legal entity. So you can go directly to the legal entities in order to create the new legal entity. You will find here this area on the left area. You can find all created legal entities. If you need to create new legal entity, just click new. Here enter the name. For example, test legal entity for training, the full name for the legal entity. Here the code for the legal entity which should be used, for example, TLE, like this. Then you select the country, in which country is this new legal entity, for example, Saudi Arabia. Then click OK in order to open the main screen for the setup to the new legal entity. If you note here, you will find the created legal entity which you created. It's appeared here. Here, test legal entity. It appeared in the left area. Also, in this right side, you can find there the name and the code like this, which will be appeared here. Then you can select from this area the multiple legal entities as per your needs. Once this screen appeared here, if you need to add another informations about the legal entity, another memo related to this legal entity, so you can edit here. For example, you write like this: creation for this legal entity in order to make test and training. For example, search your name. It's by default, it's generated from this name. You can edit it or add anything you need new like this. Okay, is it under hierarchy? For the organization, if it's under hierarchy, you can select yes. If it's no, you will not select this legal entity. If this legal entity is to be used for the consolidation process, if you will use this legal entity in order to consolidate the another legal entities in under this organization hierarchy, so you can select those for financial consolidation process parameter like this. If you need to use it for implementation process, also you can use this parameter. Okay, here the default language which will be used in this legal entity, I will select ENUS. Here is the time zone also. You can select the time zone for your legal entity, which it will be, in our example, this legal entity in Saudi Arabia, so we will use this time zone. After you finish this, you will go to the addresses tab. Here you can click add edit. You can assign map to the legal entity. I will click add. Here, for example, head office like this. The purpose is business or consignment delivery fixed asset home like this is business. Select country region by again business. Select country region Saudi Arabia. Postal code, you can select postal code. You can write here the street King Fahad Road, for example. Okay. Postal box you can write, for example. City also, if you defined the cities, you can select the city from here. Okay. Is this is address is primary. If it's a primary, you will select. This will unmark the current primary address. Do you want to continue? If it's okay, you can click oh yes. If it's no, it will be the default. If it's primary for country region, you will select okay. Then we'll click okay. Then the new address added here. You need to assign map good map to this address. You can click map option. You will find here another URL append for the map, so you can assign and you can select the map. For example, this one, King Fahad Road. Okay, then click save. Then close this screen. After that, you have to go to organization administration, number sequence. Number sequence, in order to generate the number sequence for this new created legal entity, here you will find here generate. Under new is this generate here. Just click generate. You will find set up number sequence screen, welcome screen. Click next. Okay. Then here click next. You will find here the number sequence for your legal entities appeared. Click next. Then select all modules. It shows to you it will be by default. System tell you it's completed. The application, the Microsoft Dynamics 365 generating to number sequence, it's generated to you all these records related to all these modules for your legal entity. Once you once it's completed like this, you click finish. You can go back now and go to your legal entity to check under number sequence here. In this area, you can go to organization administration. Okay, legal entities. You can select your legal entity here from this left side, for example, this legal entity, and you can go down to the number sequence field, which here, this number sequence field, you will find now the number sequence that appeared like this. Okay, once you finish, just you have to close this screen. Thank you.